Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Laibak miyamda COVID-19 ga mari leinana pauzal pigadori. Lockdown sangdoklaba yana leiri. Moregi haizang khul manangta miyoi ama chingnaningai oba mawongda siduna leiramlei. Ngasi Manipuri Tampaki District ayambada Hindu lining chachariba kangbu singna chahi hauba numit chairaubagi thauram sing pak sana pangthok nakrai. Kurumjari Times of Manipur News meng tabiriba punampu Elizabeth na taram nokchari hauzik miyamda pau sandok na pizari. Prime Minister Narendra Modi na lockdown gi matangda hayeng ayu pung tarada laiba asigi miyamda pauzal pigadori. Hayeng gi lockdown asi Prime Minister gi warolda state kya gi Chief Minister na haizarakpada lockdown asi Nakalamoromda April kuntra fauba sangdokadaba lockdown asida laiba asigi economy su fagalaknaba pambai sing yauraba yana leiri. Haukiba thangza numita state tarahumdoi gi Chief Minister sing wari sanaraba matung lockdown asi sangdokningbagi apamba Prime Minister nasu apamba fongdokhiba leirabani. Makata na center na COVID-19 na sokhanlaba district sing virus asina sokhanbagi changi matung ina color code oina khaidoklaba yari. Leiba asigi sokhandana leiriba district chamri romde makata na social distancing thamduna lau singuba yumkai sabana chingba thabak sing makha chathalaba yari. Pawasana makha taraduna Prime Minister gi maikaidegi leiba asigi miyoi singi punsi kanbasu yamna tangai fadaba amani adubu amaromda leiba asigi selthumgi fibam fagathanbasu maru oi hairi. Ngasi ayo haizang khul manangta chingnaningai oiba mawongda asibak chang ama taaduna leiramlei leikhidraba miyoi adude thangjam dipak chahi kunmari apokpa leikhidraba TS Bisarup more khunau leikai ward number 9 dagini asibak chang adu ICP taba lambi amasung haizang thong manangta thengnarakpani hairi mahakna siriba mafam adudagi meter khara chatlaga mahakna thorakpa two-wheeler adventure bike number MN04D 9787 amasu Fangbaga loinana I kharasu asibak chang adugi manakta taaduna leiramba thengnarakhi. Tungda Technopol District SP TH Bikramjitna Luchingba More Police Team amadi Forensic Science Laboratory ki team laktuna yengsinkhi. Nakalamaromda misi asigi matangda makhura oiba thangjam pilot kauba amana fongdorakpada leikhidraba Deepak asi nisa sizinaba miyoi nate amadi mahakna siraga leirambada makuta serin sama pahelamba asi Chingnaningai oi amade Deepagasi ngarang numidang yumdagi gari adventure macha ama thauraga thokhibadagi ahing thengla fauba thiba khangdana leirakhibada ngasi ayuk asiboina fangkhibani hairi thaudo asigi matangda siriba misi asi yamna chingnaningai oiba maramna mari leinaba department singna thidokadabani hairi
Isajina siraga tariba mafam asida leiramiba moong matawsing adu aikoina yamna chingnaningai oiba haibadi Mathanda sijaba mandaba maong kudam kaya ama phangi kudam oina harakanda angang asina taraga leiramiba mafam asidajida asigi fit mari manga ama tara kunmuk lapthoga mafam ani thongna I masit taraga leiramne masina takpadi hairiba anga je mafam amada atopa mafamda thodok thoba matungda mafam asida thangjalakpagi phibam gumba asauba ma aikoina ungi
Ngasi Manipurda khundariba Hindu lining chachariba singna chahi khudingi pangthok chaduna lakliba chahi amagi anauba chahi hauba numit chairaubagi thauram ngasi Manipurgi tampaki mafam kayada pangthokna numit asina lakpada Manipurgi Governor Dr. A. Nasma Heptullah Chief Minister N. Biren Speaker Y. Kemchan Works Minister T.S. Biswajit amadi atai masak naiba miyoi kayana yaifa pauzal pinarakli Andhra Pradesh ki Karnool da laiba Biswa Bharati School of Nursing da tamliba mahiroi sing COVID-19 na maram oiraga yum thoglakpa yadre amadi kham thengna ware haina state lengakna thubada bidyeng changbiduna mahiroi sing asigi arrangement ama tawbiu haina state lengaki pokning chingsilakli Mahiroi tangtanga chansem maring na fongdorakpada lockdown na maram oiduna nursing school asida tamliba mahiroi sing kham thengna awaba mayoknare Yumda thokpasu yadana wana leli maram aduna state asi Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena athubada mahiroi singgi khanbiraga chana thaknaba amadi yumda thoklakpa yanaba arrangement tawbiu hairi.
Lockdown asi kuisilapana maram oiraga chana thaknabadasu wasilae management nasu chaba thakpanaba provide tawbadasu awaba ama oisilae karigumba rescue tawba laklabadi akhoi isana Manipur thokpa matamda quarantine tawba yazare makha tana extend tawraklabadi khamthengna awaba mayoknarani maram asina pabung birena mieng tabiraga akhoi bunung sibiduna mafam asidagi puthokpinaba pabung na mieng changsing biyo haina hajaruni.
Total lockdown amasung curfew gi athingba thugaiduna yumdagi lambi lamjau da thorakpa mioi sing Manipur police na ngasi su fagalaga makhoina purakpa gari singi fine thian krai ngasi Thobal district police na lockdown amasung curfew thugaiba punna mioi chaniga ni fagat khi hairi makhoi sing adudi Thobal police station na kuntra taru Lilong police station na humfuni thoi Yaripo police station na kuntra ni thoi Khongjom police station na nifuhumdoi Hairok police station na Taruk Amaduga Nongpok Sekmai police station na kunhumdoi ni hairi Faraba sing adu mari leinaba police station singi executive magistrate singi mamangda CRPC gi section chamaga taret ki makhada puthokre hairi loinana curfew pass paidaba fagalaba gari chamaga mari dagi fine oina lupa lising tarani thoiga chama khomgatlaga mari leinaba executive magistrate ta sinakre hairi IMC da thadarakpa Central Sponsor Fund singi chada kunmanga lana sizinaripa sigi daita mahutki Commissioner amadi Administrator na pugadabani haina Ward number 26 ki Corporator Maibon Faungmaina Fongdokrai ngasi pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Maibon Faungmaina makhata na hakibada lengak na matam sangna suspend tawduna thamluraba IMC ki Corporator sing Manipur High Court na chahi asigi January thada suspend order adu quash tawki Adobo lana administrator hapchinduna fund kaya guideline ki wangmada sizinaduna manghan krai suspend leitraba corporator singi thadok fam thokpa fund na thadok pidabagi COVID-19 na awaba nanglaba IMC ki ward kuntaret ki praja singda mating pangba ngamdre mahut ki thau pubiriba chief minister na hiram asida miting changbiyu haki
COVID-19 gi masiga mari nabada koina ma masam sagi wordsing asida koina mating paningasu hariba akhoi municipal corporation asida leliba mari naba koi gi fan myam se thadok tabani na praja myam da mating pi basi koi ngamdaba gi phibon leire aduna koi lanai gi puthona raga ma gi lanai puthoga tangai phadabani na awa basi koi sau yadabi yade abana sum honar na myam se leire aduna
Indian Air Force ki special flight amana ngasi state asigi oina medical kits tan tarani thoi 10.8 purakrai ngasi purakiba medical kits sing adude surgical masks hand sanitizer gloves na chingbani ngasi asiga tharaga Indian Air Force na purakpa mangarak shurai Manipur Bhavan gi Residential Commissioner Prasan Kumar na Delhi da panduna leiba Manipuri sing da chana thakna ba polam sing yenthoklagani hairi TOMTV ga akhanana telephone da aikhoi gi Delhi gi paumi Birju Lekha Samom wari sanabada mateng asi state government ki tengbang da loinana chathagada bani hauzi ki oina Gorgaon da leiba Manipuri chamyang khai khangdokpa ngamlei chana thakna ba polam sing hayeng mayum sing da yohana ba honaragani Delhi gi Mahipalpur da leiriba anabagi matang da paladuna hiram asigi matang da Delhi government da pau faunare amadi athuba matam da mahaki sample logduna test saunaba khana khre haina Prasan Kumar na phongdorakli
I think you're in the media, so I thought I'll just share with you. Okay. We are starting this distribution of dry ration from Manipur Bhavan. So wherever we are getting it, it's just voluntary, no government support here. Okay. People who have contributed to us, my own contribution, some friends. So we have collected some dry ration and we'll be making packets and giving it out.
Packets, so, food packets or is that?
These are dry ration, rice, dal, onion, potato, some oil.
Okay.
And mask and sanitizer.
Okay, sure.
In case, but then don't spread around just completely, because then a lot of non-deserving people also come forward.
Okay.
If you find any person who is very deserving, let me know. We'll have it sent across.
Yeah. If you can, you know that Daina Mayanglambam, she is also doing her best in reaching out people in need, and Masat also are also reaching out to people who are staying in Delhi.
I'm just saying that if you know any group of people, not in ones and two, know some 7-8 people together.
Yes,
so
that's a group of organization, Manipur Student Association Delhi.
You be in touch with MSA and then let me know where to send. I got a list of 120 people from Gurgaon. So
Okay.
there I'll try and send across. And I also have a list from Burari and from Vijayanagar Delhi University.
Okay,
These
sir.
three I'll take up on priority, but if you have any more, let me know first. But don't give them any assurance. You know, if you are not able to give them, it becomes a big problem.
Okay, sir. So you will be distributing from Gurgaon and all like.
I have collected most of the material, some of it rather, and we are starting to do the packaging tomorrow. So we are still waiting for onions.
Okay.
Now, once that comes, first lot I will send to Gurgaon. There is this big group of students who had sent a list to me also.
Okay.
Thereafter, we'll take up Delhi University and Buradi.
Okay, the
Buradi also
Vijayanagar
I got-
side and Maharani Bagh, there are lots of Manipuri people also
So
that side.
you find out, if you can find out some location where some group is there.
Okay,
so that
I will,
group you can cater to. So,
sure,
but
sure.
don't, just give it to me on WhatsApp, ki ye aadmi hai. But then we will give after the person's other. One person can't be given for 10 people. If say 10 people come, we'll give for 10 people. Because
Okay.
lot of, bungling is also happening.
Sure, sir. That will be dropped to their doorstep.
Yes, I'll do that.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
just tell them to just collect names of the people who are
But
staying
don't
inside.
put it on social media, otherwise it becomes too much of a botheration. Then
Yeah,
people
yeah,
start
sure.
calling, this, that, and the whole thing it's a small initiative. So wherever you find somebody really needy, let me know.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Can we just publish that news that Manipur Bhavan, that RRC is distributing food item to like people staying in Delhi?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, sir.
He's
Thank
starting to.
you. Okay, sir. Can I know you? Okay. I'll just.
And you also mentioned it's through voluntary contributions from
Voluntary
officers and
contribution.
from friends and her.
Voluntary contribution as well as government is also supporting that.
You can say that, yes.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Nagaland State ki oina miyoi ama COVID-19 ki positive oiraba matung Dimapur gi mafam kaya amadi hospital sil tokrai. Positive oiraba miyoi ado Guwahati gi hospital amada hauzi laying chathari. Positive oiraba matung Dimapur gi Marwari pati amadi Ghorapati area sing sil tokibani. Masida sunatana miyoi aduna laying lamba Dimapur gi Zion hospital sil tokrai. Masida sunatana mahaka samnaramba doctor nurse support staff amadi imung manunggi miyoi sing quarantine taunaba state government na khanghankrai. Positive oiraba miyoi adu Kolkata dagi Dimapur tamna Mars ki tang kunmari da lakhibani. Positive oiraba miyoi asigi Guwahati da lairiba imung manung singsu test taunaba state government na pautak pikre haina paw asana makhatari. Sri Govindaji Mandapta Angom Ningthau amadi Manipur Pandit Loisangi Pandit Panji Loisangi Sanglakpa amadi Panji Singh Tanyai Loisangi Tanyai Sanglakpa Govindaji Temple Board ki Loisang Pumnamak yauraga ngasi Govindaji Laimangda Rajya Mantri Pangthokpaga loinana Changaga Kuntra Tarerak Shuba Chaithabagi Thoram Pangthokre hairi. Uripo Kendra da ngarangdagi hauna Deputy Chief Minister Yomna Joy Kumar gi mityeng makhada COVID-19 na maram oiduna lockdown lekhibadagi yumdagi mapal thokpa yadraba Kendra sida leriba yumthong khudingda chana thaknaba polam kaya yenthokre hairi. Coordinating Committee All Manipur Youth and Students Welfare Association amadi LKSU Club Loitang Khunongna Sanapati District ki Gamfazol Subdivision ki manung chana leiba Konsa Khulda chana thaknaba polam sing kusina krai. Tamthiraba COVID-19 laichat ki chaitheng marakasida chairawa amade Esther Kumhaiga mari lainana Chingmi tami ki marakta hena chesan hanaba mari ama sagatnabagi wakhalonda ti kusina haina AMYN SWA ki convener KH Rameswar na phongdorakli.
Asigi COVID-19 gi koi pitri pumna kinaraba haitar laina laisat sidagi koi government na piba para lengang na piba madi World Health Organization na piba koi kaino si ngak na haitare mi pung khudimang na koi honna minasi loinana koi gi nungsiba puba haitare koi khudimang se yam santi oina yamna peaceful loina adu amaga akhoi se tengbang minara kan da haitare ne machimana oibagi relationship ado khoi kaida bida akhoi khudimo si sinawni aduga ima matagi machani habdo adugi wakhalon do aduda akhoi se lakchabani aduga simak akhoi kaudana leimina se habduma ai thamjari
Nakalamaromda Konsa Kulasigi Village ki Chairman Emson Abonmaina lockdown amaram oraga tampaki mafam sengda Kulasida Panjaba Mahi Marong Amadi Ensang Napi Seng Tinduna Amata Oibagi Wakalon Sagatuna Lakli Amadi Makhatana Su Mari Asi Chechen Hanaba Honakigani Haiki
Singda laiba ahan sina manaw nupa sida pot khara de koi tamdabi ade habagi chimgi makhada koi khunjal semani dumain tawraga akoi si April gi tari amadagi hawraga huji 13 April phawsi akoi na ngamja bakhra si mateng pangraga koi lekaida koi samina bakhra khra si pise haina khunda hawriba manama sing khangde akoi de thore potok khangde sisi mayamda pizza se haina tawkhibani
Manipur People's Club MPC Kaisampa Thokchom Lekaina ngasi cherau baga mari leinana Imphal gi mafam da mathau toriba police personnel singda acha athak sing yenthokre hairi Nakalamaromda police personnel singi maikaidagi thagat pafongdorakli Khongzomgi Khebachingda Laiba Arbindo Brickfield gi proprietor na Sapam Gram Panchayat ki ward number 1 amadi 2 gi yumthong Chaniga Marifu Taret loinana Brickfield sida thabak suriba miyoi chamada tangai fadana chana thaknaba polam sing yenthokre hairi Ing kumjali singamaga chamapanga marifuni thoigi April gi tang 16 da Kodom Pokpi ki laibak thiba thodokta thawai katkraba athoba singi Kakwa Namairakpam Leikai da Leiba Khubamda Imung Manung Amadi Miyam Namaira Amadi Haikat Leikat Tamduna Ikai Khumnaba Utkrai Housing Malem Sinba Thungna Sandokraba Laina Laichat Ama Oriba Sathiraba COVID-19 Asina Maram Oraga Malem gi mafam khudingda tumba chaba suba nomba yahandana khamthengna awaba mayokna halei Masidagi hendoktuna Malem gi miyam pumba aki akhangi masak oikre haina aina thingkraba lalholo Manipur Naga People's Front ki Secretary Publicity Thomas Newmaina Thadorakpa Cherol Amana Fongdorakli Laina Asina ina khunba lairaba liningi khenaba khaidana tamthiba mawongda landarakli nakalamada lockdown asina maram oraga malemgi mafam kayada lairaba chaningai leitaduna chara helaga siba masingdagi hendoktuna suicide tawba miyoi kaya amasu yaukhrabani fiba masi manipurda su oirakpa yai maram aduna hauzik manipurda asuk tamthiraba laina asidagi ngakthoknaba lockdown manungda aikhoi lingjal manana chingtam furup kangrup khaidana lingjal manana chingi araiba manama sing tampaki ichilinau singda yauhanba tampaki araiba pochai singsu chingi ichilinau singda yauhanduna CSO singna mafam gi community worker semgatuna makhoigi khuthangda mafam gi mathau taba pochai sing yenaduna nungsi chanana hingminase Manipur asi COVID-19 dagi hai singna lingzel manana kanminasi amasung leibak miyam nasu Manipur gi nungsi chanaba mawong asibu malemgi atai leibak kayana tamjana fam ohelasi haina cherol asina makha tarakli Paugi marakthana tin break amatang lawjari
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na hauzik oiriba khudong chadaba kaya asigi yenglaga miyam gidamak hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyam gi thogal tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department singde service lepchagani hospital asida lakchangai mamangda makhada pijariba contact number asida han appointment lawbiyu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba khanghanjari ba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited RIMS Southgate Kombirei Kaithel contact number 8258967890
Condolence. We condole the sad demise of Dr. Lesangthem Chandramani, former Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly and former Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association closely associated with him since 1989, right from the flagging of ceremony of the combined TDM expedition, the historic expedition of 1985. He was our pattern and always stood like a mountain during our critical periods and supported us in various ways. He started to give grant in aid to MMTA by reflecting in the state budget from 1996. The Kangla Rock Wall and sport climbing wall, which was the first of its kind in Northeast India, was also possible due to his great efforts. His contributions to MMTA is worthless. He was a leader, a good orator, and a great visionary of Manipur. The void left by his untimely demise may never be filled up. The entire members of MMTA share the grief of the bereaved family. May his departed soul rest in peace. R.K. Bikomsana, Joint Secretary, MMTA.
Breaking matong taram nong chari makhataba pau pizari. Thasigi taragi numidangda androgi laikai tareta yum kai amadi gari amang ata thokhalam kiba thongdo adubu All Andro Youth Action Committee AAYAC na akan bamongda yaning daba phongdorakli. Khulmasel gi marakta imu naimu tanaba amadi tangdu laita daba punsi marel amada lakhanaba sinbi ganu haina committee asigi secretary H Nongpo nganbana mari leinaba singi pukning singsilakli. Mahakna makha taraduna asigumba tamthiraba thogdo asi thoglaba fawada All Andro Maira Paibi ki president amadi secretary na tumina laisinduna wahai amata phongdoktaba laibak thibani. Tungda Kendra sida thoglakpa thokhaningdaba thogdok singdadi politics ki mami tahandana thamoi sengna ngak sena haningi haiki. Loinana Kendra sigi manung chana lairiba tongan ba luchingba singna su thogdo adugi matangda kari firep lawkhrabage haibasini. Makhata na pamdaba thogdok sing thoklaklabadi AAYAC na phathaduna leiba ngamloi. Mara leiba singi mathakta chapchana thengnanaba sem saduna leire haina mahakna phongdokhi.
Makhatana, Aquin Smana Singleting is the Makhatana Atopa Exxon Hydare, Aquin Tokton in the Batodo, Mikey Tolpa Taragadi, Adumadi Akogi all under you Action Committee na Padaruga, Labang Amaro, Hyperpumsi, and Tamzage.
Housing Malemda Sandorakliba COVID-19 na maram oraga lamda masada thamliba lockdown manung asada jiribamdagi Imphal tamna sarakadaba railway gi project ki Northeast Frontline Railway gi makhada leiba unit na ngasi makhwam marangching khulda ngasi chanaba cheng yenthokrai khul adugi yumthong chahumga humfurom henbada ngasi cheng yenbagi thabak chathakhibaduda khul adugi khulakpa gailangpau gonmaina company asibu thagatpa phongdorkli. Khurai Puthiba Laikai, Khurai Thoiding Sam Laikai, Amadi Khurai Sazor Laikai gi Leisabi Singna, Kum Amagi Yausang Tabal Chongna Bakhairuba Senfam Singna, COVID-19 na awaba taraba Laikai Ahum Asigi, Yumthong Changduna, Chana Thakna Bapolam Kaya Yenthokrai. Chairaubaga Mari Lainana Wangkem AC gi manungda leiba imung lising ani henbada chanaba cheng sing yenthokrai Wangkem AC gi MLA K Mega Chandra gi mityeng makhada Wangkem Block Congress Mahila Committee gi members singna AC gi manungda leiba imung singda cheng KG tara yenthokhibani hairi. Churachandpur District ki Kangwai Subdivision ki manung chana leiba amade District Forest Officer Bisnupur gi makhada leiriba Langzing Manbi Khulda ngarang numidang dagi hauduna paksana lamai chakrai lamai chakpa dubu kanana ba khul gi kunja sing DFO Bisnupur masamak yauba team singna ahing athengbada lamai adu muthat pangamkhi lamai aduna mamal yamlaba upambi kaya amang ata thokhibage haibagi report khudaki oina fangdri DFO Bisnupur Dr Rebecca Soibamga phone gi khuthangda wari sanabada hai lamai chakpa matamda yaribam khai athubada Forest Department ta pau pibiyu ahing oirabasu masamak yauna lamai kananaba matam khudingda leiri miyamna lamai thabiganu haina phongdokhi. Housing lockdown tokibadagi awaba kaya mayok naringai cheraga sida mafam kaya mafam gi pukri pa turel kangsilakpadagi thagnanaba ising fanglaktabadagi khudongchadaba ama chawna mayok narakpadagi mari leinaba PHE department na angamba mateng pangbinaba International Peace and Social Advancement IPSANA cherol amada lengaki pukning singsilakli. Desamgi thabak thauram kayada mateng pangbiduna pukning thogat pirambi Manipur High Court ki advocate oina thau pubirambi Chanu Ningol Yumnam Romola Debina haukiba April gi tang tarada manung matam chadana lekhidabada desamna thamoi sokna nungaitaba amadi imung manunggi awabadasu saruk yari haina desamna thadorakpa cherol amana phongdorakli mahakna hinglingai matamda All Manipur Amateur Boxing Association All Manipur Bar Association na chingbagi maru oiba thongdang sing puramki Kumbida Labor Santipur All as Home the Social Worker Nongthombam Himanta Singh Amadi PDC People Development Committee Kumbiga Kusam Naraga Home Asida Lairiba Ahalaman Singh da Firol Chana Thaknaba Polam Singh Yenthokre Thaubalgi akoibada leiba imung kharada chana thaknaba polam singh Dr. Akoizam Lokendro Joint Director Ayuz amadi Dr. Susindro LS Akoizam ga loinana chatuna angamba mateng pangkhre loinana police station amadi outpost kunmari henbadasu chana thaknaba polam singh disposable glove amadi mark singh khudol tamki hairi Kartik and Lyric Foundation ki Secretary Bimol Khetrimayum na sinduna tha asigi maridagi hauna chatharakhiba pochai yenthokpagi thoramgi makha chatharakpa oina khundrakpam kendragi manung chanba amadi lamboi khulda chanaba polam kaya yenthokre Konthauzam AC ki MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan ki midyeng makhada Manipurda lockdown na maram oiraga Konthauzam AC ki miyamda Chathok Sasin Yadabana Maram Oiraga, Poche Kaya, Nasisu Makata, na Chana Taknaba Polam Kaya, Yentokre. Iril Turelgi Imaika Hena Hantakivana Maram Oiraga, Iril Bong Water Supply Scheme na Kwanba Mafum Singda Hanagum Ising Piramba Adu, Makata na Piba Ngam Kiroi Haina, Water Supply Project Construction Division No. 1 Dagi, Cherol Amana Kanghalakli. Sajibu Cherauba Thoramga Mari Lainana Education Minister T.H. Radeshyamna Thamna Pokpida Leiba Glory Children Home da Ngarang Laktuna Cheng Bek ama yauna chanaba polam sing amadi sel oina lupa lising tara mating pangkray Minister Masana Home asigi leiriba sap sing amadi angang singda COVID-19 ngakthoknaba tawgadaba tawroidaba amadi motivational oiba wari liduna angang singi pukning thogat piramki Moirang AC ki manungda leiba thamna pokpi mayai leikai development committee na chana thaknaba polam sing leikai gi miyamda yenthokre hairi Wangu ahalub chuthek leikai dagi imung mangada ex minister and mangina luching makhada Kumbi Block Congress committee na chana ba polam sing asi mateng pangkre hairi Amaromda Wangu Ahalub Chuthek Leikai digi imung mari dagi BJP Manipur Pradesh na chanaba polam sing amadi selgi tengbang ngasi mateng pangkray Bisnupur Police Station gi OC ke Dinesh Kumar na luchingba police team amana Ngaikhong Khunong Tidim Lambida lockdown amadi curfew ki athingba thugaiduna chalamba gari kunipan amadi miyoi nifutare detain tawkhi Fagalaba miyoi sing mari leinaba magistrate puthoklaba matung fine oina lupa lising mari ga chatruk lomsu khomgat pangamkhi Hairok Part 2 Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan TH Banubati Devi na luchingduna Panchayat asigi members Singa loina na Panchayat asina konba yumthong lising aniga chamaga marifu tarukta nongmada changdraba yadraba chana thaknaba polam sing mateng pangkre hairi Manipur ki Chief Minister gi yathangi matung ina Tamenglong District ki Deputy Commissioner Armstrong Pamena Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana gi makhada 10 Faitol gi manung chana leiba khul tara tareta lem na cheng sing SGC Tamenglong gi khuthang da fangan kre hairi Pau gi marathana tenba break amamok lauzari
Khanganjaba 31 Thobal Assembly Constituency gi cheng voter basis ta kg manga yenthokraga lemhoba losinduna thamba cheng sing adu amuk kendra sigi lairaba praja singda yenthoknaba press media gi thongda Thobal Hockey Association na haijakhibaga mari lenana nominee Asem Gopal Singh Masana media gi khuthangda local MLA amagi nominee anina cheng losin ba leite lairaba sing khangalaga pinaba club organization singa kana hotnari haibo wafam adu aranba yumpham yaudaba wafam ni aduga nominee mahak masana PIL natraga RTI thaduna fangba yagani haibasi miyamda lana uhanbani Kendra sigi mangliba cheng asi yamna chawna mangle khangbadagi Thobal DC da manglaba cheng sing adu thidokpiyu haiduna club mangana punsilaga complain ama March ki tang 19 da thaki Masigi matung tarakpada Thobal apun balupna nominee masaga mangliba cheng sing asigi matangda wari sanaki masida nominee Asem Gopal Singh masana mangliba cheng sing asigi maramdi underground organization group amana chada kun manga kakre amadi gari bhara loading unloading asina chingbada changkhre haina khumlakhi masida waroisin purakpa ngamdabadagi Thobal apun balup amadi nominee masa yauna honorable MLA gi yumda phaminaduna wari sanabada MLA masana handak April tha asigidi organization amatana chengi kota kakpalaite haina khangalakhi masigi matung cheng sing adu praja singda yenthoklamdabadagi media gi thongda Thobal Hockey Association na yenthokna ba haijakhibani masida kanagumba political party amataga mari lenajade khanganjariba M Arun Singh Treasurer Thobal Hockey Association
Breaking matong da taram nong chari makhataba pauda COVID-19 ga mari leidana mathau toriba security personnel singbu inkhalak liba naha singna tongan ba mating kaya pangbagi chanabi lamdam masida nauna haudorakli ngarang hairangoi thongdagi kaisam thong fawbagi manungda mathau toriba security personnel singda singjamai chinga makhadagi oinam ingo miyamna taingo haina khangnariba miyoi asina security singda thakna chana ba polam sing yentokhi Nakalamada Uripok Lai Kulembi Maningi Naha Singna Bazar gi akoibada taba security singda thakna chana ba polam kya yentokhi Khuragi Charai Khudol Indus Viva RKBD Pasoi Part 2 Helping Hands for People Manipur gi apun ba miyoi singna su ngasi cherau baga mari leinana lambida mathau tawduna leiba security personnel sing bazar da leiba masagi mayum makai leijatarba miyoi sing yauna chana ba polam kya si yentokhi Andro Kendra ki manung chana leiba changam dabi gram panchayat ki wahida banu gi mityeng makhada leika asigi members singi kuthangda chana thakna ba polam kaya ngasi yenthokrai polam sing yenthokpagi thoram ka mari leinana ishor gi mafamda thawni duna COVID-19 ki awaba taraba singi awaba da su saruk yakhi wahida banu na fongdorakpada leika asigi awaba taraba imung singda magi ngamjaba maikai degi chana thakna ba mateng sing pangjabani fongdokhi Andro ACG Manung Chanba Tulihal Idgad Youth Development Organization Amadi Yaripok Tulihal Club Asina Konba Area da TIYDO COVID-19 Relief Fund Lisingani Kunna Relief Material Sing Yanthokre Hairi COVID-19 Laichet ka mari lainana Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund da Huya Lalong Thang Tagi Lup Sing na sel oina lupali sing yangkai giting bang pikre haina First Chief Minister's Indigenous Martial Art Meet Lisingani Kungi Convener Hizam Hemjina Thadorak Pacherol Amana Khangalakli Thanga Part 1 Gram Panchayat ki Ward Number 11 Salam Laikai ki member Ningthauzam Ombi Pramo Devi Amade Social Activist Ningthauzam Lokendro Singh Anina Nomagi Changdraba Yadraba Chana Thaknaba Polam Singh Yenthokrai Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh ki State Councillor Uriba Dr. Akoi Sanana Thobal District ki Khangabo Kendra ki Imung Singda ngasi anirak shubo oina chana thaknaba polam Singh Yenthokrai Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR Dr. Manoj Murhekar na haikre madude COVID-19 asi thengnaba ngamnaba hidak makhal nifu henbada changyeng chathari adumakpu hojik fawbagi oina laina asidagi ngakthoknaba hidakti leitri nakalamaram da ngasi fawbada miyoi lak amaga marifu taruki sample hojik fawbada sample test sokre masigi manungda miyoi masing lising taret ka chamapan ga yangkhai humdoi COVID-19 positive oire haiba khangba ngamthkare Mamang numit mangani asi fawbada chawrakna miyoi lising tara mangaga chatret ka nifu taret ki sample sing no magyoina changchata test sauri amadi no mada miyoi chamngaga marifu mari positive oirakpagi paw fangli haiki Moirang Municipal Council ki manung chana leiba imung yangkhai romda amasung Moirang Kaithil Sinmi Lupki Awaba Taraba Mui Tarada Moirang Kiam Lekai Henjunaha Private Limited ki Mapu Hemam Lenin Amadi Moirang Turil Bandagi Hauzik SSB oina thabak toriba K Santi Kumar Singh Anina Chana Thaknaba Polam Singh Yenthokre Hairi British ki Prime Minister Boris Johnson Hospital dagi discharge tawkhibaga loinana mahaki Checker residence da makhata na laying chathakigani haina mahaki government ki machin chatpa amana haikhre COVID-19 dagi positive oire hairiba Boris Johnson na mahapu ningthizana laying chathakibagi St Thomas Hospital ki doctor amadi nurses singbu hainingai leitana thagatpa phongdokrai adumakpu Prime Minister asana masagi oiba official thabaktadi makha chathakiroi hairi Lamdam asida COVID-19 thengnanaba honabada miyamgi mang thaduna achauba thodang lauriba miyoi singda saithaba frontline koba isai album ama ngasi Kanchipurda leiba Imphal Public School da phongkhrei isai asigi aiba Oza Kennedy masana puthokchaba album adu maru oina miyamgi luchingba CSO lenga ki thomi sing amadi media singda dedicate tawduna semkhibani hairi TOMTV na akhanana lokhacharakpa adomgi khonjel ki thoramgi khuthangda miyamdagi tongan ba wafam kya phongdok narakpa leptri karamba miyoi singna karamba wafam sing thambirakpage haibidu miyam puna amuktang taminasi
Curfew lockdown numit tara tarini subada lengang na pung khara komthokibadu numitugi miyamdu magi darkar leiba chana ba thakna ba polam ching leiba phangona khona ba social distance maintain tawna khide malemda COVID-19 tamthireba laichat amu oiraba ju chakhawi lani mankhibana madu thoira khide loina na numitugi tinkiba miyamdu lengang na makhoigi essential commodity sing adu mapung phana phangan biram labadi kana amata na tawrom la haina khali maramdi hairiba laichat asidagi ngaktoke hairabadi social distancing yamna darkar oi haiba ngasigi miyamju khangdabadi nate COVID-19 asigi epicenter oiba China gi Wuhan da huji laina asigi control tawkhiba laikre makoina laina asibu control tawkhibadi mi amata mapan thondana chana thanaba polam khodimak sarkarna loina mayimda piduna amadi social distancing ngaktaba mi pharaga chahi ama jele thambagi wafam phawu yauna tawkhibaduna laichat asidagi control tawkhibani hainari Manipur gi oiba contest yenglubada laingana chana ba cheng khare yenba phawu wathoki wathok ngakta mipum khudimak loina pibasu ngamde maduna curfew lockdown thugaiduna chaba phanglakraba chakhawgi lal ama soidana lakpa yai aduna lengakna curfew lockdown hangdoktuna social distancing phajana maintain tawhanbiba natraga yumthong khuding essential commodity sing sarkarna yahonbirabadi COVID-19 ngakthokpa ngamgani khali
Hujuzik lockdown amaram oiraga chaba thakpa yamna awaba oire maram asina hena nongmagi awaba tasalakli ngasi phawbada chaba thakpa hujuzik phangdraba gumbani nongma charaga numit ani chara sille mafam sida isingi phibamsu hujuk phangdre room sigi bara hujik thide haibagi damakta room sigi mapuna akhoi ising pidre ising laigada basu posai maman tangkhibana maram oiraga akhoi yaujaba paisa nungsa punjanaraga nandagi chamin thaminaraga lapani adubu ngasigi numitadi paisa loikhre loirasu loina date 15 16 17 18 19 flight pairani haibagi harau momo noklubado ngasidi kappagi tanjama laklabada Manipuri gi Chief Minister N Biren Singh da request amakhak tawjari yaragadi akhoi bu athuba matam sana lathok piu nasana nau singbu nungsi biu mafam sida akhoi kuina wana leibase leiningdre leibagi thauna su akhoi de loirak lengasidi amukta akhoi bu nungsi biu haina hanna N Biren Singh da request tawjari
Loisilakpada marui bapa umuka na pizari. Hayeng Prime Minister Narendra Modi na laibak miyamda COVID-19 ga mari leinana pauzal pigadori. Lockdown sangdoklaba yana leiri. Moregi haizang khulmanangta miyoi ama chingnaningai oiba mawongda siduna leiramle. ngasi Manipurgi tampake district ayambada Hindu lining chachariba kangbu singna chahi hauba numit cheraubagi thoram pak sana pangthoknakrai. Ngasigi oinadi TOMTV na pisaba Manipuri Paulo Zare Bing Tabiri Basingbo Amukana Kurumzari.